Here we are, our little stealth camp, and I wanted to make a little fire pit around here somewhere. You commonly know it as a Dakota Fire Pit. I don't know why it's called a Dakota Fire Pit, it just is. We've got a couple of tools, we've got our belt kit with us, and we've got a couple of cans which we've punched the bottoms out pretty rough, and I don't know whether I'll be successful here or not because we're on the top of the outlet from the former lake and it could be rocks everywhere underneath here, so I don't know. So I got this bit of a tool. You wouldn't normally have this, I perfectly understand, but you know, you got to use what you got. The handle is completely rotten with woodworm. The pick part should be okay, and I got a small folding civilian entrenching tool which we'll get out, and a bit of a plastic bag to put the soil on, a lot lighter than the military issue one. I always trying to work one hand instead of putting the bloody camera on a tripod. How stupid is that? So we'll see what we can do. The reason I want it is A, because it's stealth, and secondly, there's an effing great field of wheat there which I'll be due to harvest in the next few days or week. I mean, it's just a matter of getting around to it. Also wanted to put some posts in there because old Mr. bloody combine harvester, I don't know if he's had too many rackies, but he's been known to come right across here. Me and Malcho don't want to end up as shredded wheat, do we? And also I don't want to set fire to their crop because it's a huge field. God knows how many acres it is. It's a lot of smaller fields all combined into one. So I don't want to get a spark into that and set fire to that, otherwise it'll be on my head and I'll be guilty as charged, I guess. So over now for now. Okay, it didn't take very long. 16:45 hours. It's really hot, moggy. I'm out here sweating my tits off. Main fire pit, channel, and the air intake part of it. I'm now going to put this couple of cans in here, something like that. Sorry, the camera's all over the shop, I'm not looking. I'll get them like that, so I'll just keep the airflow open, and I'll put a couple of rocks over the top of these so they can be left in situ and they won't get crushed, because the tins will crush quite easily. That's all the soil that it took out. It's a lot of soil, just for one small pit. So there you go. As I like to say, over and out for now. So almost 1700 hours. We spent about 30 minutes messing about with this. Still got a lot of soil to dispose of, but it can go down in the valley. There's the inlet. Might have to slope this a little bit more. Tin can, and that's the actual fire pit itself down there. I put these rocks up around it. Hopefully they'll give me a level. I can adjust them. I mean, you know, I have plenty of rocks. It's one material I do have here. So now it's time to drop a fire in the hole, and let's see if it works. Well, a lot of dry grass there shoved in the hole. We've got plenty of bark and some sticks. I ain't got the camera angle here. If I'm gonna hold the camera, then we ain't gonna get anything. So we're gonna try this the simple way. Gonna just get some of this grass here dry, because it's not, well, it's dry, simply dry, but it's very waxy. We're gonna put a cigarette lighter to it, see if it takes. Wants to take or not. Drop it in the hole, and then we're going to start to drop some sticks on it. So I'm blocking the airflow here at this end with my body, quite unintentionally. Okay, I'd expect this grass to smoke, of course. Yeah, well, if you're going to use grass, you're going to get smoke. Depends how long the smoke lasts for. Okay, let's get some air down in this. I'm smoking a bit too much. Maybe need a bigger hole at this end to get more air in. I mean, we're going. We're definitely getting heat, but we're getting too much smoke at the minute. Maybe I put too many sticks in it. Okay, let's have a look, see where we are. That's where we would be. Yeah, we're still getting black clouds. We're still getting too much smoke there. And the wood is dry. So let's dig another more of an air intake at this end, and of course me sitting there, my body is blocking some of the air. I don't hear this suction, this pulling the air through at the minute, which is not good, not as good as it should be. So maybe that grass I put at the bottom blocked it a bit. It's burning all right now. Let's dig out down here a little bit. First cross succeed. Try again. False bridge there. Now we're burning. Bloody ticks crawling all over me. I'm not careful. No, 17:30. It's taken me what, 30, 45 minutes, something to mess around with that. Now it's going. Yeah, there's a little bit of smoke. You're always going to get a bit of smoke, but it's not as bad as it was when it first started. You can see reflection here. Next stage is to brew up on it. Oh, look at this. So we have a means now of cooking some food without hopefully burning down a whole field of wheat or whatever it is they're growing there. Well, I'm pleased with that brew, really pleased with it. It's got two of my own made 3-in-1 coffees and a sachet of chocolate all mixed in together. And it's a bit hot, burn the lips, singe the lips touch, but it's really good stuff. Really just what the doctor ordered. Only thing it's missing is a shot of the nip of the old whiskey. But, you know, bakers can't be choosers. I ain't got it all together just yet. It's really nice, really good. I don't like drinking out of tin cups, stainless steel or aluminium, but as I say, it's all I got. It's a bit of a impromptu job today. I had plans to do other things, and I decided I can't do those other things, so I'll have a go at doing this. It was on my list. Quite happy with it. I just bung those sticks in now for effect, basically. Just stuck them in vertically to burn down slowly, see how it burns up. Quite good. So I'll catch you another time. I love you and I'll leave you over and out, or just out, as I'm told I should say, but it doesn't sound right, does it? Just out. It's like, you know, doing a coal cracker or a haze. It's my way. Over and out for now.